Hi guys, I'm back for another video. This is not my typical type of video. I kind of just wanted to do like a tutorial or a how-to. And then as my friend and I were talking and in conversation, she has such a wealth of knowledge and expertise. I was just like, girl, the people need to hear this stuff that you're saying because it's all so relevant and such good information. Hi, Evine. Thank you so much for being a part of this video. So impromptu. I did not prepare her, guys, to be on the video. I told her at first that I was just gonna zoom in on my hair as she's, doing the latch or interlocking. And it just turned into a whole like school session basically on locks and interlocking and the whole gamut.
We're making video today.
You've been locked for 7 years, right?
Mm-hmm.
And what is the difference between when you first started and where you are right now in terms of what you feel and think about your hair?
One thing I'm grateful for is that I didn't go a little bigger, even though sometimes I said I wish I had locked it a little bigger, but based on experience and what my friends who they started their locks with mine the same time, they're complaining about the weight. So the finer you go, the less weight you feel when it reach a certain length. The only time I feel like I have hair on my head is like when it's washing, because the water. Yes. But otherwise, it's as light as ever. So I am the journey with the years with that. I am grateful because if it was burdening my neck or hurting my head or something, I probably would have cut it already. So I think I can go probably another 7 years with it without feeling actually anything. I don't feel no weight at all on it.
So what made you decide to even rock your hair?
Just as I said, I usually braid it. I usually, do it naturally without even doing anything. I wear it like that. I had started it before and cut it off because I got discouraged. Persons usually tell me that I'm looking so old.
Oh, wow.
My hair not looking good, and then the same persons that telling me that after that they start growing their locks. So I realized that it was just envy. Yeah. But I always like natural hair, even though I do so much with my hair before I take on this journey. I always like natural hair. And I just say, instead of braiding it, I'm gonna just do the locks. I don't regret it because seeing it now, even the first time when I started it, it was still beautiful, even though it was short, and I enjoy the short look. I'm sorry I didn't take pictures when it was a lot short. I think I have some pictures on Facebook with it being short, but oh my goodness, I enjoyed being short. But over the years, that is as it goes, I don't have no regret. What would I say? I'm enjoying the journey. And I so many clients. I've gotten so many clients from back home here. Everywhere I go, persons always say, I want my hair to be like yours or eventually be like yours. That's how I get my clients too. Just by them seeing my hair and know that I'm the one that's doing it.
You're your own advertiser.
Yes, I'm my own. And they said, do you know anybody that does it? Who's doing it? I said, me. So that's how I get most of mine. So it's a good It's a good investment.
So you think you would stay locked? You said, I remember just now you were saying that if you were to stay locked for another 7 years, that you don't think you would even feel the weight of your hair. So do you think you'll do the 7, or is there a specific number, or you're just
I don't
like,
really have a specific number, but because it's me doing it, it's sort of stressful at times, especially working and then to find the time to do it. Most time my day off is like Friday and Saturday, and then Saturday is out of it. I go to church. Friday most time it's in the evening that after work I would do it. It's sort of hectic, challenging, stressful, but once I start it, once I put my hand in my hair, it's like I can't stop till it's finished.
Okay.
So if I don't put my hand in my hair, that's when I don't business to do it. But once I start it, I can't stop until I finish. So every evening I come home. Sometimes I spend hours. I try doing it at once, probably twice, and it took me 10 hours.
Oh.
In the Adventist church, in my home church, especially the elderly people, they don't like it. Just like, some of them don't like pants wearing.
Yeah, very conservative. Conservative.
So they don't like it, and then some of them have this, discrimination against Rasta. Because some of the Rasta, them fit through them, they don't keep up their hair. Some of them one big clump, and it makes you look bad on persons who other Rastas do. Like they generalize it. Once they see somebody a Rasta, they say, "Dirty Rasta, them more, they're not smelling clean and all of that." So there's a little stigma to it, but I guess as time goes by, because some of the pictures I see my friends from back home on Facebook, everybody dreading, everybody has sister Loc now. So I guess I don't know how the elderly view it. I know with the younger persons they are okay with it, but a lot of things where they never usually accept back then. It's a norm now, and everybody, moving with it. But as I said, persons just need to embrace the quality hair that God blessed them with. God knows why and give them that soil. Even though, you inherit from your family, but still yet everybody is unique.
Right.
So just accept it and move on.
Yeah, I enjoyed my loose hair when it was natural, but this is, for me, this is the best.
And it's so easier to handle.
I feel like it's just always done. Like,
exactly.
I don't have to what am I gonna do with my hair? I have to do this and plan ahead about what. No, my hair is already done. Just pull off the scarf, shake, and
you're gone. Yep. Me now, I just pull off the cover of it in the morning. I just shake it up like this, and I'm gone. But as for the root, which needs more attention, you put your coconut oil. For some persons don't like the smell of especially the castor oil. Castor oil
I hate the smell.
You hate the smell?
I hate it.
Yeah.
It works because I had used it previously to grow the edges, but when I had her, I lost my edges too. So I had used it for that and it worked, and then as soon as it grew back, I said, oh, I'm done.
Well, that's what I use in mine. I usually get it from back home, the real one, natural one, which that one, the smell, you can smell it from a mile, but I don't care if they can take the cell, then drop down. Because, you know, it helps. I remember I went to a crusade. You know, they normally pitch a tent and have crusade. Me and my daughter went to the crusade. And I just oiled the hair the morning, you know.
Oh, Lord, no.
Went into under the tent. When I sat down, I could smell it. Even though I have on my perfume and stuff, I spray up the hair, but I could smell it. And I sat in front of a lady. She said, She said, this head is full of castor oil. I almost died. And then there was another lady sitting beside me. She almost dropped off the chair. She was laughing like crazy. She said, the lady beside me said, at least it's clean. I didn't have to answer a word. I was just laughing.
Oh my gosh.
Lady said, at least it's clean. Yes.
They know what's going on.
Because it's not smelling stale, but
the smell.
The smell.
You can tell.
Yes.
It's a distinct, it is a distinct
oh my goodness,
smell.
sorry. It was just strong. But it does wonders to my hair, so, because one of the main reason why I lock my hair too is because I told you I was braiding it a lot. So I lost most of my hairline. Is really damaged, and the castor oil, that's what been helping me. Even now, most of my hairline is gone. A lot of persons don't know because my hair is growing, so I cover it. But yes, it's damaged.
From the years of using
the braids. Yeah.
Okay.
The years of using the braids. So I said, okay, I'm a castor oil journey. It's just that I can't get the real one because you get that back home. You're not gonna get that here unless somebody bring it up. So I said, anybody coming up, that's all I'm asking for a bottle of castor. And then you can't buy it from everybody back home either, because if they add salt to it, it will break your hair. You know, right? So you still can't buy it from everybody because they put the salt in it to
preserve
it, right? So they will tell you, no, it has no salt when they kill it with salt.
Okay, so now we're going in with some oil.
Now we're doing some oil. Oh boy. And the video.
We're doing some Faida Naturals natural lock elixir. Okay guys, the stylist has her own beautiful set of locks. Can I take this out?
Yeah.
She has her own beautiful set of locks.
7
years of growth and beauty. Oh my gosh.
It's damaged.
It's beautiful. It's so light, guys. It's so light. It's full. It has volume. Girl. She says she has damage. I don't see it, but she says that there's damage. I don't see the damage.
The ends, most of them breaking.
Oh, so. She's saying maybe because of the color.
Yeah.
Oh, I could see the braid on some of them.
Yeah, you're right. So I started it. What? So it started locking out now. So you see? You can see this?
Get out.
Yeah, so that's what I started with. So some of them start locking now, so it barely
7 years and still seeing.
So that was where I started my hair. So this was my length. So that was my length where you have the plait.
No way.
Yeah.
So what? An inch, inch and a half?
Yeah,
2
some
inches?
of them were like probably 3 inches most. So this was where my hair was when I started. So this is like 7 years of growth. So watch your hair grow.
Indeed, 7 years, okay? So I hope you guys watched to the end and really enjoyed just the wealth of knowledge that she shared. Interlocking has been my preferred way of maintaining my traditional locks. It just works for my lifestyle. I haven't had any complaints about interlocking at all. I do sometimes say that it doesn't give as a clean look as retwisting, but I feel like when my friend does it, it's still very clean. Like, it's still a very clean, neat, put together look. I've added some more color. I always get a little inspired, especially when I'm venturing out on new beginnings, new horizons. It's almost inevitable for me to do something with my hair. And I feel like that season for me is coming. I'm anticipating new and great and beautiful things for 2022. So my hair always kind of demonstrates like where I am. And yeah, I added these 2 new pieces of color. I'll do a video, guys, just kind of informing you on how I got to where I am right now with my color. There's rhyme and reason behind everything. I just don't feel like I do things haphazardly. I try as much as I can to do things with intention. So continue to follow me on my journey. Thank you guys for watching, subscribing, liking, commenting. Let's keep it all going. I definitely feel the love and support from all of you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.